This is Mariah. She is a white tiger. She came to us from Fun Spot Amusement Park in Angola, Indiana. She had been rescued as a baby and then was housed there at their facility along with 10 other cats. Eventually that facility had to close down, which meant that these 11 cats now needed a new home, and we were lucky enough to be able to take in all of them. You may notice that Mariah is slightly cross-eyed. Unfortunately, that is due to the fact that all white tigers are inbred, and sadly that inbreeding leads to crossed eyes, blindness, and other deformities. But Mariah doesn't let that get in her way. She still runs around her enclosure like crazy, and she's got a really sweet personality as well.
Mm-hmm.